Hi, I'm Lynn Bridgford. I'd like to talk to you today about nutrition and diet and food and nutrients. Thank you for all the comments. I'm loving them, and thank you for watching my videos. I hope you keep watching. I'd like to keep sharing with you. So food and diet is a big topic. What is diet? Diet is what we eat. You see a lot of diets about losing weight, getting off something that's a problem, stopping your digestive issues. Actually, sometimes we need to look deeper than that and see what's the cause of these issues rather than making you not eat things. There are some things that we shouldn't have, or some people shouldn't have at some times, but often it's because there's a pressure to be vegetarian or pressure to be vegan or pressure to eat loads of meat. Actually, we're all a little bit different. Depends what you do and what your body type is. If you feel you really need to eat eggs, get the best eggs you can. If you need to eat meat, I need to eat meat, get the best quality meat you can, the cleanest meat. And if you look at the hunter-gatherers, they had meat 2 or 3 times a week. They didn't eat it 3 times a day. So I think we've got very much into a consumer market, an advertising market about what we should do, what's good for us. And actually we need to be more listening to ourselves, as long as ourselves are talking well and not talking out of, I'm addicted to sugar, give me sugar. As long as we can go into a point of balance, getting help to get those aspects of the body in balance, then we're able to listen to what we really need. And no book or diet or fad or video can tell you. You are your best guide as long as you've got enough balance in your body to tell you. Food and nutrition and biochemistry are related, though not completely. In terms of food, there's so many different diets and fad diets and ways to eat and what's right. And I find it's very individual. It kind of makes sense. We've got different blood groups that we might need to eat differently. We grow up in different cultures. We might need to eat differently. What is and isn't a good diet? In the basics of proteins, carbohydrates, fruit and vegetables, fluids, we all need slightly different things. I feel there's always 1 or maybe 2 things that each person shouldn't have. And I find there's 1 or 2 things on the planet that are more like toxins than foods. And these days we have to look at, what are we putting in our mouths? Is it a real food that's come from nature and grown and fresh and freshly prepared and well prepared? Or are we killing our food by overcooking it, keeping it for too long, picking it before it's ripe, poisoning it so we can get more of it, and then we poison ourselves? Is there poison in the atmosphere? What are all these things we need to be careful of? And we can run around in circles looking at what to eat, what not to eat. Some of it comes down to cost, some of it comes down to preference. I like to eat as clean as I can, get good vegetables from the farm, good vegetables, good fruit, clean my water. I can't do a lot about the air. And I like to eat meat. I like coffee, but I don't like too much. Not everybody can cope with it. Don't think there's a good and bad for everybody that's universal. We have tastes. Some people have things they can't eat. But then if it's an allergy or an intolerance, maybe there's a reason why. Maybe we need to be working with things like the gut microbiome to get that healthy. And if that's healthy, then we can tolerate some of these foods better and the toxins better. And yet, I was in Egypt recently, and the toxic environment really made me feel like it disturbed my gut microbiome. So there's an interaction with the environment and us and our food and our emotions, and where do we go to sort it? Now, I like to look at nature in terms of remedies, homeopathic remedies, herbs, tinctures. Sometimes we may need nutrients. Just seeing where we can get that balance to make ourselves feel as healthy and vital as possible. Thank you so much for watching. It's been great sharing with you. If you would like to hear more or have any questions, please just let me know. I will do my best to answer them. If you'd like to see more, subscribe, and if you would like to just click the bell at the top, then you'll be notified when there are new videos coming up. Thank you so much.